Hey, Sigma Prepper here. Thank you for joining me for this first video just to get the channel started. This is obviously a prepping channel and we're going to be looking at all sorts of bushcraft, survival tactics, logical analysis of situations, all sorts of preparedness, tips and tricks, loads of special Sigma Prepper exclusive products, which I don't want to tell you too much about, but believe me, there's a lot coming. So we've got 13 products on the way, and there's a few of them are going to be free. So definitely subscribe. You're not going to want to miss out on that. Brand new Patreon page just made. That's ready to rock and roll. Website in the process of being completed, which will have all the product pages and all of the useful links and information. So that's a basic rundown of what's coming. We've got the brand new product launch that happened just to the VIP patrons previously for the Ultimate Hotspot, which is an offline internet system in the event of SHTF or WROL, without rule of law, situation where there's no internet, cyber attack, something like that, grid down scenario. It basically allows you to have access to Wikipedia, all the Gutenberg project, 60,000 books, about 160 of the Canadian Prepper videos are on there as well, plus a bunch of other forbidden knowledge and things. So that's what's on the SD card, that you use a Raspberry Pi as a hotspot. So we've got that coming very soon. That's already been on a pre-release. 20 have gone out so far. And within the next week or two, they'll be available live on the Sigma Prepper website. All links in the description. But I wanted to get this first video out of the way just so I can break the ice. My name's Andy. I'm the Sigma Prepper. Love, peace and progress to the pack.